Hello students, welcome to your class. This is your moral science class. Today we will learn a new story that is about two cats and monkey. Two cats and a monkey. This story is all about two cats and a monkey. When the cats were fighting, how the monkey get all the profit. This is the story. Okay. Maybe you have noticed that whenever two people fights, the third one always get the benefits or always get the profit, right? Between your friends or your brother sister also, when two brothers or two friends are fighting, third one will definitely have the profit, right? So the main story is this also. And another thing maybe you have noticed that whenever two very cordial friends have some fight or have some issue, if another person came to their friendship, that means if another person who is not their friend at all, if they came, they will definitely try to broke the friendship, right? They definitely try to broke the friendship. They create some more confusion or some more disturbance between them, and it happens, right? So whenever there is some dispute between two friends or family members, we should not call a third person there, because the third person, that means an unknown person or who is not our friend or not our family, that person we should not call, because they will create some misunderstanding and they will make these things more worse. They will make the thing worse, not better. So let's start the story. Two cats and a monkey. Two cats were once great friends. One day they were very hungry. They were moving here and there in search of food. At last, they entered a kitchen of a house. They stole a piece of cake and ran off. Then they came to a bush and sat under a tree. One of them divided the cake into two pieces, but the pieces were not equal. First part was larger than the other. Each of the cats wanted to have the bigger piece, so they began to quarrel. A monkey saw the cats. He came to them and said, "Why are you quarreling?" "He wants to have the bigger piece," said one of them. "If you allow me, I shall act as a judge and make the two pieces equal," said the monkey. The cats agreed. Then the monkey brought a balance. He weighted the two pieces. One piece was heavier than the other, so he took a bite out of the bigger piece. Now the other piece became heavier, so he bites off some of that. Thus the monkey went on eating the two pieces to make them equal. The two cats had nothing to do. They were quite helpless. They were there only to see how the whole cake was eaten up by their judge. Then the monkey smiled and said, "My dear friends, you won't have to quarrel over the bigger piece of the cakes anymore." So saying, the monkey went away. So we finished the story. Now what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is, never call a third person to settle a dispute. Never call a third person to settle a dispute. What does it mean? This means whenever two friends or two people are having some problems, they are quarreling or having some issues, they should solve that themselves. If they are good friends or good family members, they should solve their problem by themselves. They should not call a third person to solve their problem or to settle the dispute, right? Because then the third person will get profit and the friends or the family members will have more issues. And now from the story, you should know that when many cats are there together, it called clodder. That means the collective noun for that is clodder. And when many monkeys came together, that is known as troop. or you can say tribe, or sometimes it is known as mission also, troop, tribe or mission. Monkeys love to eat bananas, and monkey's sound is known as chatter. Cats, you know about cat sounds and cat babies, right? So these are the things you should know. This is the main story. The moral of the story is never call a third person to settle a dispute. I hope you have understand. Thank you for watching.